ZP connecting W.
Hi, everyone. This is Chris Nussbaum, Project Coordinator for the Bridges Technical Assistance Center, and I'm here today to demonstrate how to add an account into Microsoft Outlook. So we start out with the specs as always. I'm running JAWS 2024 on a Windows PC using Windows 10, and I'm going to add the Gmail account that I use for my assistive technology training business onto my computer that I use for work for the Bridges Help Desk. Now, ordinarily, I wouldn't do this because the two computers are separate. So I don't use this particular computer for the AT training, but I am going to go ahead and uh, install, or rather add, the CAN Access Solutions account to Outlook on this computer for this demo. So what we're going to do here is first we're going to open Outlook. So I'm going to hit Windows to bring up the search box,
Search box edit. Type in text.
and then hit O.
Outlook app. Press right to switch preview.
And there's the first thing that shows up. So hit Enter on Outlook.
Oh, enter. Opening Outlook. Inbox nussbaum@imagem.org Outlook list box attached.
So as you heard there, the first thing that came up was the inbox for my ImageMD email, my personal work email, which is always the first thing that will pop up when you open Outlook, is the inbox for your email. Now, if I were to hit Control Y, I'll just show you.
Control Y.
Oops, maybe not.
Activity.
Oh, it brought up a pop-up. Hold on.
Alt F4. Zoom to JAWS inbox nussbaum@image.
There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to hit Control Y.
Control Y. Go to folder dialog. Folders. Preview. Inbox.
So there's a go to folder dialog that's going to bring up a tree view. And if I down arrow through all of those,
Gmail closed.
Gmail. So if I right arrow into Gmail,
Gmail open.
because remember we were talking about providers last week, the Image Center, which is our parent organization, uses Gmail as its provider. So you'll see in here
2 drafts 1 of 6.
drafts,
Sent mail. Trash.
sent, trash,
Important.
and
Trash. Sent mail.
important, some other things. So we'll go back up here.
Draft 1. Inbox. Gmail open. Inbox. Gmail closed.
And I hit left arrow to close that Gmail. And then if I keep down arrowing,
Calendar is computer only.
and there's my calendar.
Contacts is computer. Drafts.
Contacts, drafts.
Journal is computer. Notes is computer only. Outbox. RSS feeds. Tasks is computer only.
And then if I keep down arrowing,
Search folders.
eventually I get to
helpdesk@imagem.org closed.
help desk at imagemd.org. And if I right arrowed on that, then the same folders would show up for the help desk, along with any other folders that I created. So as you can see, there are two accounts that I've created in my Microsoft Outlook already. One is my work email for the Image Center, and the other one is the account for the Bridges Help Desk. So when you send a request to the Bridges Help Desk, I will get that in Microsoft Outlook, and that's what I use to read and respond to it. But we're going to go ahead and make a whole other account. So we're going to first escape out of this.
Escape. Inbox. Nussbaum.
Now back in the inbox, and I'm going to hit Alt F.
Alt F. Menu info to move through items. Press up or down arrow. Alt followed by F5.
So it says menu info. So I'm going to hit enter.
Enter.
But it's a little weird because it doesn't read anything. You would think because it's a menu, it's going to say leaving menus and then start reading stuff. It doesn't here. So you're going to need to hit tab twice. So we're going to hit tab.
Selected account group. Selected account.
And it's going to say selected account. You'll see that that is important because of if you want to change settings in an account that already exists, then you have to make sure you have the right account selected. But we're going to tab again.
Add account button. Add an email account or other connection. Add an email account or other connection. Alt followed by F5D.
And then it says add account. So enter.
Enter. Leaving menus. Welcome to Outlook. Searching for accounts. Email address edit. Type in text.
And
Space.
email
Space.
address. So this is the part where I'm going to put in the email address that I want to make or that I want to add.
Can access solutions at Gmail.
So it's canaccesssolutions@gmail.com. So I'm going to hit tab.
Advanced options button collapsed. To activate, press
There's an
spacebar.
advanced options.
Connect button. To activate, press
And
enter.
then there's a connect. So we're going to hit enter there.
Enter. We're getting things ready. Accounts. Document.
So we're getting things ready. And then there's a thing that says accounts. So what this then brings up is actually it brings up Gmail. So since this is a Gmail account, it's going to bring up the same sign-in page that you would be familiar with if you sign into anything that's Gmail related, whether it's an actual Gmail account, at gmail.com, or whether it's like a work or a school account that is Google based. So now I'm on that web page and it's going to ask for my password.
Edit canaccesssolutions@gmail.com.
So the first thing that comes up is the username, otherwise known as my email address. And I'm going to down arrow.
Edit canaccesssolutions@gmail.com.
Oops, maybe not. I'm going to tab.
Forgot email link.
Forgot email. No, I didn't.
Privacy policy link. Next button. To activate, press
And I
spacebar.
kept tabbing until I got to the next button. So I'll hit enter on that.
Enter. Sign in Google Accounts page. Enter your password. Edit. Type in text.
Okay, so now I'm at the part where I put in my password. So now I can put that in. Let's hope I remember it.
Next button. To activate, press spacebar.
And I tabbed after I put in the password. So next, and I'm going to hit enter.
Enter. Redirecting page.
Hey, I did remember
Google.
it. So it said redirecting page, and now we're at Google. So let's tab around here. I think what this is,
Blank.
so it's not, as we arrow, it's not reading anything. So let's tab around and see what we got.
Allow button. To activate, press spacebar.
Okay, so there's an allow button.
Deny button. To activate,
or a
press
deny
spacebar.
button. So
Allow button.
what it's asking us to do is it's asking us whether or not we want to allow Outlook access to our Gmail. In this case, we do. So we're going to say allow and hit enter on that.
Enter. Custom control. Welcome to Outlook. We're getting things ready.
And it says we're getting
OK
things
button.
ready.
To activate, press enter.
And it says it says there's an OK button, which would tell us that things should be set up.
Enter. Change background image. Select a different background image button.
And I'm back
Microsoft
in
Outlook for
Zoom.
iOS and Android. Microsoft 365. 10 regions, 26 headings and 85 links. 1 smart glance. Microsoft.
Now it's bringing up a thing about Microsoft Office 365. I don't want to know anything about that, so we'll hit Alt F4.
Alt F4. Change background image. Select a different background image.
So let's Alt Tab over to Outlook and see if it added it.
Inbox can access solutions at gmail.com. Outlook. Inbox can access solutions at gmail.com. Outlook.
It appears that it has. So we're in the inbox now that says can access solutions at gmail.com. So if I hit the home button,
Home. Unread. The Google account team. Chris, reveal your Google account settings.
so it says the most recent email, which is some stuff from Google about basically that new thing has signed into my email and blah, 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 blah. So I'm going to send a quick test message to my other email to make sure that it worked. So to do that, I'm going to hit the new message keystroke, which is Control N.
Control N. Untitled message HTML to edit, type in text.
So it says untitled message, and then the first thing that comes up is the to field. So I'll type in my email address.
Nussbaum at Imagem, period.
So cnewsbaum@imagem.org. And so nothing came up because this is the first time I'm sending any emails from that account. But as you get used to sending emails from an account, and as you send more emails to people, then it will pop up with suggestions of people that it thinks you want to send emails to as you start typing in letters. So, for example, if I were to go into my work email and start typing in HELP, it would say Bridget's Help Desk, helpdesk@imagem.org. And you'll hear a click from JAWS because I email that email address a lot. So now I'll go ahead and tab
Org.
again.
CC edit, type in text.
Then there's the CC box. So if I wanted to carbon copy anybody, well, sure, we'll just carbon copy the help desk. Help desk
Help desk at
imagemd.org.
Imagem, period. Org.
And we're going to hit subject.
Subject edit, type in text. Alt plus U.
So I
Subject
hit
edit, type in text.
tab,
Alt plus U.
and that's where I would put my subject line. I'm going to say Outlook
Outlook.
test.
Test. Outlook test message HTML edit.
And now it's set the subject. And if I tab again, now I'm in my message body field for my email. And I'll say this
is a test, period.
This is a test. And to send it, I'll hit Alt S.
Alt S. Inbox can access solutions at gmail.com. Outlook list box.
Okay, so now I'm back in my inbox after having sent that email. So let's see if I got it. It will eventually give me a notification. So as you're in Outlook, if you get emails, you'll hear a sound that a kind of chime that will give you notifications when a new email comes in. But since I'm in one account and an email has been sent to another, might not get that for a while. So I'm going to go into the other account. So to do that, I'll hit Control Y.
Control Y. Go to folder dialog.
And then hit my home button.
Home, to-do list.
To-do list. I don't really know what that is. I haven't really played around with it much. But down arrow.
Nussbaum@imagem.org. Open.
And the other ImageMD one is here.
Inbox.
And inbox.
Enter.
So I'll hit enter.
List box
and
attachment.
As you can hear, there is notification chimes. So if I hit the home button,
Home unread. Bridges help desk. Outlook test.
oh, and Carlton looks like she was checking the Bridget's Help Desk Zoom account. So let's see what she said.
Enter. It works.
And she says it worked.
Blank on Friday, May 10th.
And now if I escape,
Inbox spam.
If I down arrow,
unread can access solutions at gmail.com.
There's my email that I sent from Outlook. So actually, if I up arrow again,
Bridges help desk. Enter. It works on Friday, comma.
There's her email. So I just opened it with the enter key. And if I want to reply to her, then I'm just going to do Control R to reply.
Outlook test message HTML.
And it's going to say RE colon Outlook test message.
Wonderful. Exclaim.
And Alt S to send.
Alt S. Outlook test.
So there you go. We'll put some of those keystrokes in along with some resources to learn more about Outlook in the written portion of this transition tip. But that's a little demonstration of how to add an account into Microsoft Outlook. If you have any questions, as always, you can contact the Bridges Help Desk at helpdesk@imagemd.org, and I'll respond to you using, of course, Microsoft Outlook. Thank you for watching, and as always, thank you for supporting the Bridges Technical Assistance Center.
Inbox, Zoom. Change background in Alt-C. Alt-P. Outlook, Inbox, JAWS Pro, Zoom. Change background, add a cal, search, home, more, pair with, help, open, Zoom, setting, schedule button. Unmute my audio, Friday, change, add a cal, home 1, Outlook, Inbox, JAWS, Zoom, out, Inbox, JAWS, Zoom, home 1 of 6 tab selected, audio, pair, help, open, Zoom, setting button, return, schedule, return to enter, you have started screen share, press F6 to switch between Alt-C. Alt-C, you have started screen share, press F, schedule button, return to meeting button, space. Alt-U, you have started, setting button, return to meeting button, enter. Schedule button, Friday, May 10th, Outlook, Inbox, screen, JAWS, Professional, Zoom. Friday, May 10th, 2024, 4:42 p.m. Escape. Alt-Q. Change background image. Select a different background image. Outlook test message HTML. Alt F4. Menu bar. Escape. Leaving menus. Change background image. Select a different background image button. Add a calendar service. Inbox. Screen sharing meeting controls. Screen sharing meeting controls. Alt S. Your screen.